Money, 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 money. Money. Money, 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 money. Monday. Hello, world, and welcome to Money Mondays. I'm Timolin Langin, coming to you from Los Angeles. Did you all hear the value of Oprah Winfrey's Weight Watchers stock plunged by $435.8 million, causing Oprah to lose $58 million in 1 hour? Now, we know Oprah is going to be all right. She's still worth $3.4 billion. The reason for this loss has nothing to do with Oprah. CNBC article says Weight Watchers is scrambling to clarify its new name, WW, and mission after a poorly executed rebranding campaign left consumers confused and membership numbers tanking. From what I gather, Weight Watchers is now asking Oprah to help them turn things around. And as I read this article, I thought about us as working people. And at some point in our lives, we have experienced financial setbacks too. We've invested in something or someone that didn't work out as planned. We prepared for the promotion but didn't get it. We aced the interview, yet the bills are still due. Loaned money to someone who didn't pay us back. We made an investment with our money and our heart. Sometimes these things are disappointing. I've been a landlord for years and rented to a tenant who, for the first time ever, didn't pay and tore up my place. At least that was the first experience with the tenant who behaved in that fashion. And I lost around $25,000 in 6 months. And for us working people, that's a big financial hit. That's a lot of money to lose in a short period of time. The property is now rented, and just now I'm financially stabilizing from it. But I wonder, what can we working people learn from challenging financial situations? How does knowing this Oprah story help us? Well, here are the takeaways and the reason for this talk today. Number one, pay attention to your money affairs. Have a plan. Here's the real life example. Bought real estate, big picture, properties appreciate in value. But the steps involved in buying properties, the smaller picture, if you will, the maintenance, the roof going bad, taxes, insurance, all of these little steps play a role in owning property, buying property, and being successful at it. So it's just good to this is what I call minding your money, like MINDING, thinking things through, having a big picture idea, and understanding the individual parts as well as the whole. Number two, create and stick to good financial habits. Make financial forecasts. 3 months down the road, 6 months down the road, 12 months down the road, 12 years down the road. We need to be thinking ahead and then analyzing every step of the way. What's working and what's not working, and then make those adjustments. Make those shifts, as I like to call them. And number three, prepare for a rainy day. Have resources to draw upon in challenging times. The emergency fund that I stuck away came in handy. And I'm sure Oprah having $4.3 billion to rely on comes in handy when you take a loss like that. And basically what I'm saying is that you have to protect your asset. And then lastly, like Oprah's got a brand, we working people have a brand too. Now, I'm not going to go into details about branding because I did a video on it. I will leave a link in the comments section for you. And so please comment, share the videos, like the videos, tell me what you think, guys. Please, please, please. But anyways, I did this video on branding, and the point that I want to leave us with today as it relates to that is that we working people don't always think that we have a brand. But here's what I would like you to consider is that we have influence in our workplace, in our communities, in our churches, in the local areas we hang out. And so that is something to think about. What impact are you having? How how do we how is your brand being defined in your community, where you work, where you live? That's something to think about because we all have one, and we want to just make sure that it's speaking well of us. I am going to close this video now, but I do want to check on you to make sure you're doing your homework. Now, last time we talked, we were supposed to be putting monies aside in our little bottle here. And I said that I would start from scratch with you and start putting coins away. Your nickels, your pennies, your dimes, your quarters. I'm just saving mine in this water bottle. I hope you're doing the same. And then remember, we're going to check in with each other at the end of the month to see how one another is doing. So, hit the like button, leave a comment, let me know what you think, guys. This is a new experience for me, and I'm happy to be coming here every week, but I want to hear your feedback as well. And I will see you next Monday on Money Mondays. And remember, financial success is not a gift, it's a habit.